Hola amigos. This video is going to form the basis of the stuff which we are going to learn in the next video. So please pay some attention. These days we use Windows File Explorer to open files and folders. For example, I have this work folder on my desktop. To go inside this folder and to see its contents, I can just double click it. Here you see. And to go inside the meetings slides folder, I will double click it, and so on and so forth. To jump one level up, I can press the backspace button on the keyboard, or I can click the up arrow right here. Now let's launch command prompt to see how we can do something similar over there. So you see this text here which says C:\users\name Akram. It is telling us what is the currently opened folder or directory in this command prompt window. It is similar to the Windows Explorer window. Just like when we double click to open a folder, that folder is opened in the Windows Explorer. So similarly, when we launch the command prompt, it by default opens the currently logged in users folder and the path is displayed here. But you would have noticed one thing, that we can't see what files and folders are present inside this command prompt window. This is quite unlike the Windows Explorer window. So in order to see the contents of this folder, we need to run a DOS command or a command prompt command which is called dir. Dir stands for directory, and press enter. Here you can see that the directory listing is shown. So starting from the left, the first item shows us a timestamp of when a specific file or folder was created. We can see that all folders have a dir written in front of them, enclosed in smaller than and greater than signs. So now I want to go inside the folder desktop which is present here. How am I going to do this? I am going to use the command prompt command cd, which stands for change directory. Please take a note here. I will type this cd command on the command prompt window. Cd space the name of the folder which is desktop, desktop desktop, and press enter. Now you can see that the current path has changed. It now shows us C:\users\name Akram /desktop. Now let's run the dir command again to see the contents of this folder. Right here you see, we can see there are 3 batch files in there and a work folder. If we want to go inside the work folder, we will do cd space work. If we want to go inside the Excel sheets folder, we will do cd space a double quote and Excel space sheets and press enter. I have enclosed the folder name in double quotes. We have to do this when the folder name contains a space in it. Okay, so the next question is, what if I want to go one level up as we did in the GUI using this button? In order to do that, I am going to use the cd command with a special syntax. I will type cd space a double dot. Well, we don't need the space in here, but if you put a space, it will still work. And I will press enter. Now you see that the path has changed. The path has changed from the work folder to the desktop folder. Now we are inside the desktop folder. One last and very important point is that how are we going to create folders in the command prompt? In order to create folders in command prompt, we use the command md, give a space and then supply the name of the folder. If the folder name contains a space, we are going to enclose it in double quotes. Otherwise, it will work without double quotes. For example, we call it md beautiful and enter over here. Now you see on the desktop a beautiful folder is created, and we can do cd beautiful to go inside that directory. That is that simple. So now it's time to move to the next video where we are going to use the cd and md commands through a batch file to automate the process of creating a nested folder hierarchy. So see you there.